Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to install all your favorite apps on a new PC in just one click, without ads, without junk, and without clicking next 100 times? In this video, I'll show you how to use Ninite to install multiple software safely and automatically. Let's get started. So first, what exactly is Ninite? Ninite is a free tool that lets you install and update popular applications like browsers, file compression tools, media players, and more, all at once. The best part? It skips all the unnecessary steps like bundled software, pop-ups, and manual setup. Everything is done silently in the background. Open your web browser and go to the official website, ninite.com. Here, you'll see a list of popular apps organized into categories like browsers, messaging, media, runtimes, and more. Now, simply scroll through the list and check the apps you want to install. For example, you can select Chrome, VLC Media Player, 7-Zip, Notepad++, or even Discord. You can choose as many apps as you want, there's no limit. Here's what makes Ninite really powerful. It installs only the official versions of apps, no modified files. It automatically selects the correct 32-bit or 64-bit version for your system. It skips optional bundled software that usually comes with installers, and if you run the same installer again later, it will update your apps instead of reinstalling them. Once you've selected your apps, scroll down and click on the Get Your Ninite button. This will download a small installer file to your computer. Now open the downloaded file. No need to click Next or accept multiple prompts. Ninite handles everything automatically. It will download the latest versions of your selected apps and install them silently. This is perfect if you just installed Windows and want to quickly set up your system. It also saves time for IT professionals or anyone who frequently installs software. That's it. Now you know how to install multiple apps quickly and safely using Ninite. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.